hundreds of devotees are ready to worship the holy shrine. A total of over 5,000 pilgrims in a convoy of over 300 vehicles left for Amarnath amid tight security and arrangements. Now you can see, viewers, what is happening right now. This is coming from Sonmarg in Jammu and Kashmir. Our colleagues Gursimran Singh, Arawat and Zeenat bring you these latest reports from the ground.
Right now, the first batch of Amarnath Yatris have been flagged off and they are taking the journey to Mahadev's cave. The cave is located in the Himalayas, and this is the traditional route of the Pahalgam, the 48-kilometer route where the journey has begun. The visuals that we show you are from the Nunwan base camp. The atmosphere here is this. You can see the spirituality all around. The pilgrims are chanting Har Har Mahadev, and there is no fear on the ground. The people in the saffron clad, some of them holding the trishuls in the hand. In this jatha, only some 250 sadhus are part of this first batch. In fact, this is the total number of yatris. This time is 5,892, though this number has been divided between Bahaltal as well as Baltal and the Nunwan base camp. The yatra has formally begun, and you see that the arrangements that come from the Jammu Kashmir police, the CRPF. In fact, CRPF is coming up with a slogan of the women battalion like "May I help you." So all the security forces have pulled their people on the Baltal as well as this Pahalgam access. So a lot of help is also being taken from the technology, where you see that apart from the tags they are all moving in the convoy, and also the identification tags are there. They are completely on the radar system. And people have been told to move in the convoy, don't leave the convoy, because the security has been heightened. Multi-layer security arrangements have been made by the security forces here. The Bam Bam Bole, Mahadev Ki Jai, and this is what is coming from the base camp, where you see people are completely into the yatra, and they want that the more people should be part of the yatra. And the Jammu and Kashmir administration has also opened up help desk for those who have not registered, but they are coming here. They are being registered at the help desk. Then daily medicine facilities have been enhanced on these routes, and you see the facilities that have come from the Shrine Board have increased this time compared to the previous year. The government of Jammu and Kashmir, the people of Jammu and Kashmir have welcomed the Yatris yesterday at the Kazigund, which is also the gateway of the Kashmir. They have been welcomed by the administration. In fact, LG Manoj Sinha has made an appeal to the Yatris to come more in number, because administration is here to serve them, to provide them all kind of facilities. The administration will give the facilities. Meanwhile, the security arrangements are coming from the joint forces, the alert forces. Apart from men, we are seeing the women battalions too have been posted, the CCTV cameras, the radar system that helps them to monitor the torch facilities and facial expression that can detect if any bad person is around. The hooter will buzz and inform the security forces about the presence of a bad person. All this is being done to improve the security scenario, and also to gain the confidence among the travelers, the pilgrims, that the Kashmir is safe. With Vijay Firdoswani, I'm Zeenat Zishan Fazil for Republic in Pahalgam. Extraordinary hustle and bustle can be seen here at the Nunwan base camp, as the first batch of Yatra from Nunwan base camp has been flagged off by the district administration. I request my Vijay Firdos to show you the kind of arrangement, the security arrangements. In fact, the senior police officers too have been deployed here for the security cover of these yatris. This is the first batch of the yatris. You see the Jammu and Kashmir administration. In fact, the joint security forces have pulled the highest number of their people on the ground so that the yatris do not face any difficulties. J&K government has made it ensured that they will be coming with the successful yatra, for which the arrangements can be seen on the ground. In fact, the number of sadhus, those who are the part of this jatha, the first batch from here as well as from the Baltal access, which is the shortest route, and this one the longest route, there are around 250 sadhus that are part of this batch. We expect the yatra to conclude on the 9th of August, because this is a 38-day long yatra where we see the tight security arrangements from the joint forces. The administration has set up most of the desks which are required during this pilgrimage. We see the telemedicine facilities, the drinking facilities. The people are completely connected. They are being watched. They have been given the numbers that can track their movements. And also the administration has asked the pilgrims to come along with their convoy, follow the protocols, and also do not venture to those places where the presence of security forces is not there. J&K police has covered the patch. The security wing of J&K police can be seen in the huge number. Many of them have been deployed in CVs also at the critical junctures. You see these sharpshooters, you have the watchtowers, then many policemen and the CRPF people can also be seen on the ground. This is only one of the measures to regain the confidence of the travelers, the pilgrimage, because this is the first batch of the pilgrims, and this yatra has started post Pahalgam attack, and from here just 6 kilometers away from this place is the Baisaran, where that heinous crime was committed. But today on ground, the way the number of yatris are coming, and they are making appeals to the people that they should come more in number, because the security has covered every inch of Pahalgam.
It's the second day that the batches are leaving from the Bhagwati Nagar base camp in Jammu for the holy pilgrimage. The pilgrimage is starting in the Kashmir Valley today with the first batch of Baba Barfani paying obeisance at the holy cave, and now the pilgrims are leaving from the Bhagwati Nagar base camp in Jammu to Baltal and Pahalgam. This is the second batch of the day, and also on the second day the batches are leaving. More than thousands of pilgrims have left for the holy pilgrimage. On the day first it was close to 5,800, and today also large number of people, they are heading towards the holy pilgrimage of Baba Barfani in the large numbers so as to pay obeisance. Heavy deployment of the security forces has been done on ground. All the routes that are connecting to the yatra routes, they have been seized with the immediate effect, because the travel advisory says that no civilian vehicle will be allowed to move along with the yatra. And here you will see that Jammu and Kashmir police deployment that has been done here on ground, and also the civilian vehicles that have been stopped at a distance. This has been done to ensure that there is no untoward incident that takes place. The entire security cover of the Bhagwati Nagar base camp has been taken over by the Central Reserve Police Force, and here the outer cover is with the CRPF and the Jammu and Kashmir police, that is ensuring that there is no untoward incident that takes place as the yatra leaves from the Bhagwati Nagar base camp in Jammu to the Kashmir Valley to pay obeisance at the holy cave of Baba Barfani, as the yatra starts today in Kashmir with the first batch leaving from Pahalgam and Baltal to pay obeisance. With Sarjeevan Kumar, Gursimran Singh for Republic Media Network.
We are here at the Nunwan base camp, and we have seen that the yatris are moving towards the holy cave this time, and you can see from this very side that these are the yatris who were here at the base camp in the Pahalgam, and also they are leaving towards the holy cave. आप मुझे बताइए कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
हम नागपुर महाराष्ट्र से आए पूरे लोग, हम लोग 13 लोग आए हैं और बहुत आनंद आ रहा है। बाबा के दर्शन के लिए जा रहे हैं, अभी चालू हो रहा है, अभी हम लोग निकल ही रहे हैं, मज़ा आ रहा है।
तो कैसे अरेंजमेंट्स है अगर हम यहाँ की?
नहीं, सरकार की बोलो तो बहुत अच्छी अरेंजमेंट है, हमें टेंट मिल रहा है, मस्त सब चीज़ की व्यवस्था पूरा सुचारू रूप से चालू है, बाथरूम वाथरूम सब बढ़िया है।
आप मुझे बताइए आपका क्या नाम है और कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
हम नागपुर से, शेषराज चौरसिया मेरा नाम है। सब आनंद आ रहा है, बढ़िया दर्शन हो जाएंगे, बस इतना अपना कहना है।
पहली बार आप दर्शन के लिए
हाँ, पहली बार आए हैं।
कैसे सुविधा है यहाँ पर?
अच्छी सुविधा है ना सर, खाने से पीने से लेके सब बढ़िया है, मज़ा है।
आप मुझे बताइए आपका क्या नाम है, कहाँ से आप?
मेरा नाम उपेंद्र प्रसाद शर्मा है। मैं नागपुर महाराष्ट्र से आया हुआ हूँ। पहली बार आया हूँ। यहाँ की व्यवस्था देखकर ज़्यादा अति उल्लास हो रहा हूँ। व्यवस्था अच्छी है। यात्रा का पहला पड़ाव यहाँ से निकल रहा है अभी। बस
जम्मू से यहाँ तक पहलगाम तक क्या सुविधा थी सुरक्षा की अगर हम बात करें?
काफ़ी सुविधा थी। पुलिस सिक्योरिटी सीआरपीएफ आरपीएफ जवान वान की पूरी व्यवस्था थी। आने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई अपनी।
You can see here this is the route which leads to base camp here in the Pahalgam, and you can see all the security arrangements are on place, and you can see from my left side the deployment of the forces there, and also every single corner is being monitored continuously, and you can see that the security forces are also advising the pilgrims how to deal and where from to go, and you can see that the senior officials from the Jammu and Kashmir Police, CRPF and other paramilitary security forces are on ground to guide the yatris who have left from base camp at morning. From the morning 3 a.m. we have seen that the people are moving towards the holy cave, and you can see the large gathering of people from the Pahalgam is here, and also we have seen that the multiple layer of security checkpoints have been established at the various sensitive locations in the Kashmir Valley. Also you can see here we'll also try to speak with some people. आप मुझे बताइए कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
हम लोग यूपी से, कानपुर से।
कैसे यहाँ की सुविधा है अगर आप देख रहे हैं कल से लगातार?
सुविधाओं में तो कोई इस तरीके की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सुविधाएं सारी बेहतर हैं, और फिर भोले बाबा के भगत हैं। सुविधाओं के अभाव में भी रहना चाहिए लोगों को, क्योंकि यात्रा कर रहे हैं। यात्रा करने के लिए ये तो पुरातन संस्कृति की धरोहर है, जिसको लेकर के हम लोग यात्रा में जाएं और सुविधाएं ढूंढें या व्यवस्थाएं ढूंढें, ऐसो आराम की जीवन जीना चाहें तो व्यर्थ है जीवन।
आतंकी गतिविधि भी पहलगाम में हुई थी, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी हम देख रहे हैं कि यात्री यहाँ पहुंचे दर्शन।
कोई डर नहीं, ये तो इसी किसी प्रकार का कोई डर ही नहीं किसी को, और ना डर बनाना चाहिए कभी जीवन में। ये तो सब परमात्मा के हाथ में है, और जिसके लिए जा रहे हैं उस पर भरोसा नहीं है तो व्यर्थ है जीवन।
देशवासियों के लिए क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे आप?
देशवासियों के लिए तो जितना हो सके और निडर होकर के आप लोग आएँ, दर्शन करें भोले बाबा के। किसी प्रकार की कोई असुविधा नहीं है, ना किसी प्रकार कोई ऐसा खेद है, कोई डर नहीं है, कोई भय नहीं है। और एक बात ज़रूर कहना चाहूँगा अपने सरकार से या मोदी जी से या भारत में, सैनिकों के लिए हम जो चाहते हैं वो होना चाहिए। तत्परता से मेहनत वो लोग कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर।
आप मुझे बताइए आपका क्या नाम है और कहाँ से?
सर मैं दिलीप गुप्ता हूँ, ये हमारे महाराज जी हैं, कानपुर से आए हुए हैं।
तो कैसे सुविधा है यहाँ पर सुरक्षा की अगर बात करें, या दर्शन के लिए आप जा रहे हैं?
पग पग पे हमारे लिए आर्मी के नौजवान हमारे भाई बंधु देश थे, और सुविधा में कोई कमी नहीं है। सारी सुविधाएं सरकार ने और आम पब्लिक ने हम लोगों को प्रोवाइड की है।
Thank you very much for speaking to the Republic TV. These are the yatris who are satisfied with the services here. We have seen that the administration is on ground. Also, we have seen that the QART teams have also been deployed. Quick action teams have been also deployed at the multiple locations at the roads which leads to Holy Cave in the Pahalgam. Also, we have seen that the yatra has also begun from the Balthal in the Sonmarg, and you can see that the more groups are coming towards the vehicles where from they will sit, and then after they will leave towards the holy cave. And you can see that these yatris have arrived here yesterday afternoon, and then after they were taking a rest here, and this morning they have started their journey towards the holy cave. And this time we have also been told from the administration that all the arrangements are in place from the base camp to holy cave in the Pahalgam. With video journalist, this is Arawat Mehra from the Nunwan base camp.